But let's get technical. If you do find somebody who is fully clothed in the way that the hijab should be, and you want to see her without her hijab, for example, are you allowed for the purpose of marriage? The answer to that is the majority of scholars say you can only see her face and hands. But there is the Hanbali school, which I follow, and other scholars, traditional scholars, who said that based on the evidence in the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, where he said to Jabir, a companion, see of her what would entice you to marry her. What are you looking for? And the scholars said, the middle opinion, is that you can see of her with her wali's permission. Who is the wali? The wali is her father or a brother, somebody who is in her family, who is a man, to see of her, or with her permission, see of her hair, her arms, and a bit of her legs, her neck, of what her brother or father or uncle can see. What can a father or uncle see? Below, from the knees and below, the arms up to the shoulders, the neck area, and the hair and ears. Those are the things that the father and brother really technically should see of their daughter or their sister, and so on. Even some scholars, this is a minority opinion, but it's unfounded. They say that you can see more than that, and we say no. The majority of scholars, and obviously the evidence is not there. So you can't just, because there'll be use and abuse after that. So anyway, the point is, it is recommended in Islam to see the person you want to marry. Meet them, talk to them, and take your time, brothers and sisters. Take your time in meeting and getting to know the spouse, the potential spouse. Don't rush it. That's my advice to you, crucial advice. Take your time.